Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert SD card to SJ CAM C200. And to do this, we'll need to look on the left right here. You need to click on this button to release the hatch and pull it down. While holding this same button, it should go like this. Now we can flip it open, and inside there's a slot for SD card, and you can slide it in there just like that. Now use your fingernail or something thin to push it in. You'll also hear the click sound. Now there's only thing left to do is to close this hatch. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.